Hey guys, and welcome to Dropshipping, the dream of running an online store without holding any inventory. But how do you get started on Shopify? Let's walk through the exact steps to launch your dropshipping store stress-free in minutes. Now, step 1 is picking up your niche and product. So start with what you know or what's trending. Gadgets, fitness gear, quirky gifts. Narrowing down your niche helps you stand out. Then find reliable products you want to sell. Now, step 2 is setting up your Shopify store. So sign up at Shopify, pick a clean, fast theme and customize your store. And essential pages like About, Contact and Policies. Trust builds sales. Now, step 3 is choosing a dropshipping application. Apps like Oberlo, DSers or Spocket connect your store to thousands of suppliers. So install your chosen app from your Shopify app store and sync products you want to sell. You can navigate your Shopify dashboard then to your Shopify store, search for DSers, click on open button or install button if you haven't already installed it, and DSers will open up with the DSers landing page where you'll have to just enter your credentials. After you enter your credentials on this page, Shopify app store will sync your products that you want to sell. So create a DSers account connected to Shopify and you'll be up for your dropshipping. You can also browse the app's product catalog, import what fits your niche and then edit the titles, descriptions and images to make your listing unique and appealing. Step 5 is setting up your pricing strategy. So don't just copy suppliers' prices. Factor in your profit margin, shipping costs, and competitive pricing. Aim for a sweet spot that keeps customers interested and you profitable. Set up a Shopify payments or another gateway for shipping. Check how suppliers handle delivery times and costs. Be transparent with customers about what to expect. Also, with your store live, start marketing by clicking on the marketing button on dashboard and use social media ads, influencer collaborations or SEO blogging to drive traffic. Your dropshipping store only makes money if people visit and buy. When orders come in, the dropshipping app sends them directly to your supplier. No packing or shipping on your end. Keep tracking of orders and communicate clearly with customers. So, dropshipping on Shopify is a low-risk way to start selling online, but success needs focus, good products and smart marketing. Follow these steps and you're off to a strong start. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.